Hey everyone, Zach Greenway here at Performance Sport and Spine, and today we're going to go over exercises for your rotator cuff. Right, for the first exercise, we're going to need a small weight. This is 5 pounds. We're going to press overhead, keep our other hand on our ribs so our back doesn't arch, and we're going to lower over our head to tolerance, trying to touch the floor with our palm facing our toes. We're going to do 5 reps in this position. All right, next we're going to do neutral, so our hand's kind of like a hammer, and we're going to go 5 reps in this position. And then lastly, we're going to rotate our hands so our palm is facing towards our head, and we're going to lower down. Now this is going to cause a little tightness at the bottom, so you won't be able to go as far, so just lower to tolerance. Again, we're going to do 5 reps. Now we're going to proceed to some external and internal rotation. So we're going to bring our arm up to 90 and have our elbow at 90. Keep one hand on the shoulder, and we're going to slowly lower the weight down to the floor and back up, trying to keep the motion through the shoulder and not letting your elbow bend or your shoulder come up. We'll do 5 reps. And then do internal rotation. Now, as you lower the weight, your shoulder is going to want to round, so only go as far as the shoulder is going and don't compensate in other areas. All right, now we're going to bring our arm down towards our side to 45 degrees and then do some external rotation in this plane. Keep the one hand on the shoulder and lower down to tolerance. We'll do 5 reps. And then we'll bring the elbow all the way to the side and lower down in this plane for 5 reps. Next, we'll need to roll onto our side. Support your head with one hand, and we're just going to roll up for 5 reps in external rotation, making sure to keep the elbow pinned to your side. And then next, you're going to straighten your arm and lift your weight up and rotate your thumb out at the top for 5 reps. This will be a little harder, so you may need to decrease the weight for this one. For the last exercise, we're going to bring our arm up to our side with our elbow bent at 90, and we're going to press the weight up over our head, trying to keep our wrist, elbow, and shoulder all in the same plane. Your elbow is probably going to want to elevate, so try to keep it down in the same plane as the other joints. We'll do 5 reps. This is more challenging, so you may need to decrease the weight. All right, that's our video for today. We hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, please feel free to like and subscribe below.